Hi, my name is Dr. John Scott. I'm an otolaryngologist, head and neck surgeon at Caremount Medical. I grew up in Michigan, and I went to the University of Michigan and spent some time volunteering at the hospital, and like spending time with patients, and I love science, so it seemed like a good fit for me. Otolaryngology is I guess you'll call it the official name for ear, nose, and throat medicine. And oto comes from ear, and larynx from the throat, and rhino from the nose. And gologist is obviously the study of all these realms. There was one particular patient that I recollect. I just saw him the other day in the ambulatory surgery center with his wife. But about 15 years ago, he came to me in the office and had a acute infection of his tongue, base of tongue, and his airway was on the way to being obstructed. And I had to take him emergently to the operating room, and it happened to be election night. And Hillary Clinton was running for Senate that night. And so I was operating on him until the polls closed, so I didn't get the opportunity to go out and vote. He comes every election day and brings me brownies because, as he sees it, I saved his life that night. Being part of a multi-specialty group is a great boon for the patients and our ability to provide their care, because my colleagues who are a phone call or an email away to share a question with them or to request their assistance, our electronic medical record system, which we all have access to, provides me the ability to see what other medications the patient is on and how medications that I might be providing dovetail into treatment that's taking place in other realms. It's helpful to know their other medical issues so that I can then guide my therapy at an appropriate level, whether a patient we should be considering surgery for that patient or just sticking with more of a medical approach to provide them their care. I like to run, bike, and swim, and I golf and I ski. But particularly my recent passion has been particularly doing triathlons, not the Ironman triathlon. It's a bit much for me. That provides me the opportunity to have a goal for my weekly exercise efforts, so that I have something that I'm focusing on and directing my efforts towards. And then the thrill of competing in these events is pretty great. My name's Dr. John Scott. I'm an otolaryngologist, head and neck surgeon at Caremount Medical.